Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Wanted to do a quick video on the Honest Company and their they've teamed up with Alta, which I mean most of my viewers are male, well all of it from the analytics I can tell, but they have so you wouldn't know who Alta is unless you're buying makeup, which you're probably not. Um, but yeah, so they're teaming up with Alta and they're coming up with some more um, makeup lines that are natural, so good for the skin for women. They don't have a lot of chemicals. I think this is huge because Alta is pretty big. So I looked into them. I went on their website and stuff like that. They're pretty good. They're up there when it comes to like um, natural beauty or just beauty in general. Like if you're buying makeup, lipstick, nail polish, things like that. So I find them to be great, and I think the Honest Company is making the right moves. Also, the next half of this year, they're gonna be going online for all their other products with Walmart. So that's great as well. Like they're making all the right moves. They are kind of messing with all these big boys because the makeup industry is like pretty dominated. It's like almost like mafia like. So they and then also with the diapers and wipes and shampoos and things like that, those are all controlled by like these big companies like Johnson and Johnson, Nestle, Procter and Gamble. Uh, like these companies are so big that these guys, I'm surprised that they're actually even trying to compete with these guys. But good for them. If they can take a little bit of tiny piece of like market share from them, that'd be amazing in the long term. Um, they are. I did another video where I mentioned that um, they're not their forecast for this year is not that great, but you never know. That's their forecast, right? You don't know what the reality is going to be and how much they're going to be selling. Yeah, all businesses, including my two businesses that I run, got hit because of COVID, but I'm still doing okay. So all businesses are hit, and it's uh, predictable just because of the time that we're in. All these things that are happening right now in the world, um, these don't tend to happen all at once. So, it is what it is. I bought heavy into them, and my goal is to keep it for 5 to 10 years. So we'll see what happens. But great company. All the executives, well, not like Jessica Alba, she is just like the face of the company, but all the main guys that are running the show, they're from Clorox, so that's a huge company. Those guys, they look at their stock price. So if they help that company become that big, or had a hand in it, I'm pretty sure they can do a lot for this young company, right? So I have great, like expectations from this company in the long term. Yeah, right now the stock is beat up, but so is all stocks, right? So this is the time to add. You can't buy high and sell low. So you have to, like, this is the time where you buy when everyone is scared, there's all these things going on in the world, like a whole bunch of stuff all at once. This is when you buy. This is when you buy. Like I've been buying like crazy. I didn't shoot all my load yet. That sounds funny, but um, I'm waiting that if there is something else that can happen, or let's say these guys have to drastically raise the interest rates, and say we go in a recession, right? Or stocks tank like 40% more, even better. I'll buy more. My hold is 5 to 10 years. For me, it doesn't matter in the short term what is happening, and you guys shouldn't either. If you're long, if you're a day trader, By the way, I have another video on whether you should day trade or not. You should watch that. But if you're not day trading and you're a long-term investor, then it shouldn't matter where you bought. And as long as you keep dollar cost averaging into these great companies that you think have, like this company, Honest Company, like they have all the essentials. These are the things like diapers are things that I use for my son. Like, and he's 6 months old, and I keep using it and keep using it, and I find their shampoos and all their like the shampoos and the soaps and the creams and all these things, they're all natural stuff. You should go on like Facebook groups and like Instagram and stuff like that. These women swear by it. So go on Amazon. They're all their sales are half of their sales are on Amazon, which is amazing. Like these the reviews are crazy. They're like 5 star, if not 4.5, 4.6. You know that's amazing to me. That tells me that their product is good. So if they have a good product in the long term, and they're a young company, right? They only IPO'd last year. So um, all companies that have IPO'd last year, or SPACs or whatever, they're all down like 50%, 60, 70, whatever. Doesn't matter. Good for me. Why? Because I'm buying more of them. Right now, your focus should be to make more money. You should make more money so you can put more money into the market, right? If you're buying like crypto, if you're buying crypto, if you're buying stocks, um, that should be your goal, just to keep putting money. It doesn't matter where the stock price is. If you believe in the company and you've done enough research, why does it matter? Just keep putting money into it, because in the long run, you're gonna do well, right? Um, this is definitely, don't take this, don't follow me, don't, this is not financial advice, obviously. um, but I'm just giving you my opinion and what I'm doing, and I'm gonna be showing you guys my portfolio soon, and you're gonna see it to where it is now and where it's gonna go. I plan to make like millions. um, so yeah, that's all I have to say about that. So great news with the Alta. I really like that. As well as them doing very well online, and then also with Amazon and Walmart, and who knows what other online companies or retailers they're gonna go with, um, and how much they're gonna expand. Imagine if they start expanding overseas. Can you imagine that? Like all the sales and all the profit that's going to come from there. So in the short term, it doesn't matter. If a company is young and they're not making money yet, but they have no debt, like these guys, and they have like almost $100 million um, on their balance sheet in cash, you know, you can't go wrong. But if you're investing in some bio companies like um, biotechs that are like that are in like phase one, and it takes like 5 6 years to get to like phase three, and then they have to meet like endpoints and things like that, primary and secondary endpoints, and they're gonna need money, and then they're gonna be doing like offerings and things like that, diluting you. um, yeah, so just keep that in mind. But anyways, if you like this video and you find it to be informational for you, if it helped you in any way, please like, subscribe. I need some subscribers for this to hit up. And if you find any value, or if there's any stocks that you want me to talk about, please let me know and I will do that. All right, take care, guys.